what you do. You gonna lead us to the money. Let's talk about it.
Well, first and foremost, it's a privilege and an honor to be here. And I want to share with everybody just 5 things. Number one, what you're witnessing right now is cooperative economics. And what do I mean by that? We have all the talent, intelligence to make trillions of dollars, but we never come together to work as a people. We got to be able to put our egos aside and work together. As my mentor, Dr. George Fraser, says, we should be the #1 employers of black people on the planet, but we're not. And right now, what you're going to see tomorrow with damedash, with diversity, with Ericka, you're going to see us all working together, partnering and employing our people. That's number one. Number two, we have to be able to leverage our professional networks. And if we can leverage our networks, we can create equity and ownership in everything that we do. And at the end of the day, we got to get back to the motherland. So I'm going to help us get back to the motherland. I'm building a 220-unit luxury residential resort. It's opening up on Martin Luther King's birthday, 2024. And just like you guys, I don't do anything unless I own it and have equity in it 100%. I don't advertise for anybody, because why give somebody else your soul? That's what it's about. So we put a system together called the 7 Spheres of Money, where we work with professionals, accounting firms, mortgage firms, legal firms, real estate firms, all black owned since 2000. So that's what I've been doing. And that's why I'm excited to be here, to partner with diversity and bring damedash to show us cooperative economics, leverage our professional network, equity and ownership. That's what it's about.